Macquarie is doing its level best to win friends in the broker circle, launching a TV ad campaign pointing home buyers to visit their mortgage advisor. James Casey says the move was all about driving consumers to the broker channel, a crucial part of their business.
When we knew we wanted to run with a TV program, it was second nature for us to make sure that the call to action was to ring our financial intermediaries. So not a strategy as such, it was really part of what we do. They are the one channel that we operate with, so driving people to that channel is, as I say, second nature.
Macquarie has been steadily making its mark since returning to the mortgage market in the recovery phase after the GFC. And in an environment where banks continue to jostle for broker business, James Casey says the road to redemption has been tougher than he anticipated.
It's been really difficult. I think in ways I certainly underestimated how long that journey would be and how tough that journey would be. I totally understand that we support small businesses, is exactly what we do. 99% of our mortgages go out through the mortgage broking third-party channel, and that is represented by 11,000 small businesses. So when we basically wound back on new originations, I definitely understood how that could hurt small businesses. We were a major supplier, if you like, of products and services to those small businesses. In many ways, without being immodest, our success prior to 2008, I think, amplified our decision because we really let a lot of people down. There's no magic cure except time, and we've just got to continue to work hard to get back the people that we lost in 2008. We've been, I think, very successful so far, but we've got a long way to go.
He says Macquarie is listening to broker feedback and acting on it.
One of the things we've done, apart from the advertising recently, is helping make our credit card bundled packaged loan a little bit more attractive. We heard the brokers basically saying people take the card because it's part of the package, but they're not using the card, and it's difficult to sell the package because our card really didn't have the bells and whistles. So we now actually have 3 bells and whistles on our credit card that comes with our mortgage. One is what I call the toaster reward. So there's the reward points where you can buy a toaster or whatever you want, a Myers gift card. Then there is the Qantas frequent flyer points, which we've had since the end of last year, which is really, really exciting. So great for the points junkies. And then thirdly, we have a rebate system whereby for a certain amount of spend every year, an amount of money comes off your mortgage. So that was just listening to the brokers, and they're obviously listening to their own clients and taking some of that on board. The other thing is that we now have our credit cards actually being assessed and approved by exactly the same credit analysts that assess our home loan. So it doesn't go off into 2 separate departments, it's really about the one process.